All right, this is Lab Station 6. It is on solar power. You'll be filling out data, and you'll be collecting the data with the solar cells here.
Okay, so we have our solar panel there. Set that up in the middle of the table. You'll notice that there is a wheel here, alligator clips. These need to be connected to the posts on there, and there's a piece of tape. So what you're going to be doing is counting the number of rotations that this wheel makes in 1 minute with two different types of light bulbs and at different distances from the solar panel.
You're going to record those number of turns and distances right here. Now, when it says 2, 4, 6, 8, what you are going to be doing that is in centimeters. Here,
Inches.
oh, sorry, do it in inches.
So if you notice here, the first distance is going to be 0 inches. That'll be sitting right down on there. If you look at this bulb, it's clear with kind of a bluish tint to it. This is your full spectrum bulb. Then we've also got a regular cool white or soft white bulb. So we're going to see if one or the other is better at producing solar power. So we'll start off with the full spectrum bulb. Turn that on. We'll have it sitting on there. And you're going to have to count the number of rotations of that wheel in 1 minute. Then you're going to take your ruler and raise this up to 2 inches. And do the same thing. Count the number of turns. And go to 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches. And each time you're going to count the number of turns that wheel makes in 1 minute. Really important, these get very, very hot. Don't touch the metal other than this handle right here. When you go to shut it off, just push that switch in there. And then if you can, clamp this back onto the bookcase. If not, you can just set it face down on the table. That would be fine too. And then call one of us over and we will put the lamp back up. You're also going to test the soft white bulb. So you're going to do the same thing. Start at 0, count the number of turns in 1 minute, 2 inches, 4, 6, and 8. Count the number of turns in a minute. And for both bulbs, if you look back at your data table, you also have to figure out the angle and the number of turns. So if we start here, we'll say that would be 0 degrees. Set it at 4 inches, 0 degrees, count the number of turns. Then you have to do 45 degrees, then 90 degrees. Then you're also going to take either a notebook or a piece of heavy paper, and you're going to shade it. You're going to create shading. You can mess around with this and test it a little bit to see if you want to do like a cloud cover. Take a regular piece of white paper, and that would be like cloud cover. You notice the wheel is still turning.
Also, keep moving it away from the solar panel until the wheel stops. Just kind of to see an idea how far the light will still produce energy in the solar panel and allow the wheel to turn. Remember that wheel needs 1 volt of energy to turn. You should have figured that out from the windmill. But once you do all that, record your data, call us over if you need any help.